Hi students, welcome to Knowledge. In this video we shall continue with chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables of class 10 CBSE NCERT syllabus. We have already seen two types of algebraic methods for solving linear equations. This is the third type in it, the cross multiplication method. As the name itself implies, we have to cross multiply the coefficients and the constant terms to find the solutions. Now we have a formula for doing the cross multiplication method. Now I will let you know, suppose you have two equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now we will be naming these coefficients as 1, 2 and this constant term as 3. Now you will be placing these rows here in order of 2, 3, 1 and 2. Now your second row comes here, your third row comes in the second place, and then your first row, and then you will be repeating your second row. So you will be writing it in this manner. So this part you will if you cross multiply this part you will get the value for x, and if you cross multiply this part you will get the value for y, and cross multiplying this part will give you the value for 1. So this is how you will be doing. So now you will be writing your coefficients here in place of 2. The second row, your b1 and b2 will come here, and then your 3, part of 3, your c1 and c2 will come here. Then in place of 1, your a1 and a2, and then in place of 2 again b1 and b2. Now you will be drawing your arrows from your left to your right bottom diagonally down. So this way you will be doing your arrows. Okay, and then you will be cross multiplying it, and for the value of x your denominators will be this cross multiplying numbers. So here it will be b1 into c2 minus c1 into b2 is equal to, separated by an equal to sign, then y divided by your c1 into a2, then a1 into c2, separated by an equal to sign, 1 divided by a1 into b2 minus b1 into a2. This will be your formula. Now I am telling you, instead of memorizing this, I have a procedure for you. It involves a few steps. This will help you determining the solutions without memorizing the formulas. So let's go step by step. Now the step 1 says that write the equations in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now here, for example, we have an equation 2x minus y is equal to 3 and 4x plus y is equal to 3. Now here you can see that your third constant term is on the right hand side. You will have to move it to the left hand side. So this will become 2x minus y, your plus 3 will move to your left hand side, becomes minus 3 is equal to 0. And same way here, 4x plus y, your plus 3 will move, becomes minus 3. So minus 3 is equal to 0. This is how you will be doing. So all your 3 terms will be on your left hand side. Okay. Now step 2. Name the coefficients and the constant term 1, 2 and 3. Now equations, these are your equations. Now you have your coefficients, you will be mentioning this coefficients as 1, 2 and 3. This is your first row, second row and the third row. You will have to include your signs also to remember that. Then step 3. Arrange the coefficients and the constant term in order of 2, 3, 1 and 2. So as I said in the formula part, you will be arranging your coefficients in this form. So your second row will come here first. So your coefficients on your second row is minus 1 and 1 plus 1. So here third row, so minus 3 and minus 3. In your first row 2 and 4. Then again you will be writing your second row. So it is minus 1 and 1. Okay, this is how you will be writing. Now you will have to draw the arrows for cross multiplying it. So from here to here, from your left to right bottom, you can do it for the other two parts also. Same way for here to here. Okay, now you will be writing this. As I told you, you will have to separate this portion will go for x, this portion will go for y, and this portion will go for 1. So you will be getting the value for x here, value for y you will be getting from here, and then value for 1 you will be getting from here. So let's write this here. Now from here you can see that your x, okay, you will be writing it as this way. So you will be multiplying it this way. So minus 1 into minus 3, minus 1 into minus 3, separated by a minus sign. You will be writing minus 3 into 1, minus 3 into 1. Then you will have to separate this by an equal to sign and then write for y. Again minus 3 into 4, minus 3 into 4, separated by a minus sign. While doing this way you have to separate it using a minus sign. You will have to write now 2 into minus 3, 2 into minus 3. Again separate it using an equal to sign. You will be writing 1 here, and you will write the numbers of the one part here. Now it is 2 into 1, so 2 into 1 separated by a minus sign, minus 1 into 4, minus 1 into 4. You can see that there are too many minus signs over here. Now this is the part where usually students make mistakes, so we will do it step by step to avoid it. So let's write x by your minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3, right? Minus, for multiplication, if you have two minus signs, then your answer will be in plus. So it is 3 separated by the minus sign. Then minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 is equal to, then for y, minus 3 into 4 is minus 12. Then this minus sign will come here. Then 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Now separated by an equal to sign, 1 equal to 2 into 1 is 2. Then separated by a minus sign, your minus 1 into 4 will give you minus 4. Now again let's solve it. X by 3 here, and your minus into minus is plus, so plus 3 is equal to y minus 12. You can write remains the same. Now you're on your right hand side, your minus into minus is plus 6 is equal to 1 by 2 will remain there, so your minus and minus is plus, so plus 4. Now by x is equal to 3 plus 3 is 6 is equal to y is equal to minus 12, minus and plus is minus, so 12 minus 6 is 6. You will take the sign from the greater number, so minus 6 is equal to 1 divided by 2 plus 4 is 6. Now you will be equating this expression with the expression of 1, and then y, the expression of y with the expression of 1 for getting the final value. So your next step is step 5. Equate the expression of x and y with the expression of 1. So now you have got the expression for x, so you will be writing x by 6. You will be equating it with the expression of 1, so 1 by 6. Now equating means you will be cross multiplying it, so cross multiply. Now here you will get, this will become a multiple here, this so 6 into x will become 6x is equal to 6 into 1 will become 6. So now x is equal to 6 divided by 6 goes one time, So this will x is equal to 1. Okay, same way for y by minus 6 is equal to 1 by 6. You will be equating this with this expression. So this cross multiply now. Here you will get y into 6 will be 6y is equal to minus 6 into 1 minus 6. So now here your y is equal to minus 6 divided by 6 goes minus 1 time. So y is equal to minus 1. You have got the value for y also. Okay. Now that was the cross multiplication method. If you want, you can take a screenshot of the procedure so that it comes handy while doing your problems. I'm sure you'll find this procedure easier. If yes, subscribe to my channel right away and don't forget to share it to your friends too. We will move on to exercise number 3.5 in our next video. Until then, bye bye.